Hi guys, in this video we'll discuss about how we can trigger multiple reports on email in ServiceNow. As we all know that in the out-of-the-box available module scheduled reports, we don't have the luxury to select multiple reports for a single email. So if we need to trigger multiple reports in a single email, then we need to do something else. Like in this case, what I'm going to do is I'll just write a scheduled job which is going to run a script in background. So I'll just choose automatically run a script of your choosing. I'll just go ahead and give a name to my scheduled job. So I can select run as either daily, weekly, monthly, periodically, once, or on demand. In this case, I'll use on demand. That depends on your requirement. If the report is to be triggered daily, you can select daily and specify the time at what time it should run daily. If it is weekly, you need to specify on which day of the week it should run and at what time. If it is monthly, then you need to specify the day, on which day and at what time. If it is periodically, then you need to specify on which day and after which number of days it should like repeat itself, starting from which day. If it is once, then you need to trigger it from here and you need to give the time. And if it is on demand, then it can be triggered. Let me just write down my code to trigger the report. So I'm assuming that you guys are aware about events and how we register an event in ServiceNow and how to trigger notifications based on events. So I'll just go ahead and write my event name in this particular event queue method. So regarding the syntax, you guys can check on docs as well, since I'm not planning to cover events in this particular video. Let's say the name of my event is scheduled report. Here I pass the record. Let's say next to arguments are empty. So I'm done with creation of my scheduled job. Let me just go ahead and register this event into the event registry. Now what I have to do? I have to create one notification. So as and when that particular event is fired, my notification should be triggered with all the reports which are required in that particular notification or in that particular email. Let me give some name to my notification. Table is incident. When to fire, when an event is fired, and what is the name of the event. Scheduled report is the name of my event. Who will receive? Let me give my email ID in this. What it will contain. So we need to give the subject. Like I can give the subject as incident reports, and in the HTML message we need to specify what the body of my email will contain. I'll just go ahead and give hi, please find attached. reports. And now I need to specify all those reports which I want to be part of this particular email. So for that, I will specify the sys ID of the report which I want to attach into my email. So let me just go ahead and write the syntax for that. I will be fetching the report through the sys ID, so I'm writing report ID over here. And also I need to specify the format in which I will be receiving the report. So let me just open the reports in our next module. For example, I just want to specify this particular report. I'll just copy the sys ID of this report and I'll paste it here. And the format is Excel format. Let me attach one more report over here. So that it is confirmed that we can attach multiple reports on a single email. There is no point in demonstrating this through only one report. So I'm done with my notification part as well. Let me just save this. And let me go back to my scheduled job now. This is the scheduled job which I created just now. So let me just go ahead and execute this. After this scheduled job is executed, I should receive an email with all the reports I've mentioned in my notification, and those reports will be triggered on my email which I've given in the notification. Let us just wait for some time. I will be receiving the mail. Now let me just go to my email and check if I have received any such email with the mentioned two reports. So we have an email over here, and this is the same subject which I have given in my notification and body as well. And these are the two reports which were selected by us. Let me just open one of them to check if they have data. Yes, we do have data in both the reports. So this was all about how we can schedule multiple reports in a single email in ServiceNow. Thank you for watching.